Hello? I had my volume down. What's going on? Oh, it's better now though. Gonna be on. Hey, what's up? Ella, nice to see you. Oh, Sterling? Oh, hi. Hi, Sterling. Came with a different name. Getting everything set up right now. Do I play Call of Duty? No, sorry. I don't have it set up on my computer. It's not one of the games I play. And I know that if I download Warzone, it's like a 500 gigabyte download. I won't be done tonight, even if I did. Oh. I might download it though. I might consider it. Not one who does a lot of Warzone or FPSs, but I'm not opposed to it either. Something I'd be willing to try. I've played some Among Us, yes. Um, but I've kind of got some stuff I need to check out on the Minecraft side of it because I just trimmed the world, um, regenerated some new stuff using Chunky, and also set up the blue map as well to update. So I got to do some maintenance stuff today. I'll have it set up for tomorrow though, and tomorrow's Friday. So I'll have it installed hopefully by then if I have the room for it. Let me check my storage. Might have to clear out some. Yeah, I've only got 329 gigs free. I mean, I do have this drive I can install it to, or this one, but those are disk drives, they're spinning drives, so. Among Us? I'm willing to do a little bit of Among Us. Yeah, I haven't played it in a while. I gotta remember my Steam if I don't think I have Steam installed. Let me install Steam. Do I have Steam? Here we go. I'll try to install it right now. Hey Ethan, what's up? Alright, give me 1 second. I'm installing Steam. Open. Yes. Next. Install. Okay. Uh, uh, uh. Alright, then I have to fix it in the game. Because I did it in the Discord. Ixie, he's on? Cool. Yeah, I know. The bummer. But like I said, I'm installing Steam. So once Steam is ready to go, I'll get Among Us on there. Alright, let me see. I gotta hide my screen for a minute for obvious reasons. So give me a but I see if I can remember what it is. Okay. Alright. Uh uh the new co-op update? I didn't even know that they had a co-op update. I'm not gonna lie, last time I played Among Us was years ago. Years ago. I think we were still in lockdown when we were playing I last played it. I was really into it too. I liked it. I thought it was fun. I stunk as the imposter, but I was really good at figuring out who it was. Do I have Steam saved here? Oh. Hey Jinx, what's up? Sorry about yesterday. I didn't stream. Had some personal stuff that happened that kind of ruined that night for me. So just doing some quick installs here. If I can get into my Steam account because I forgot what my password is. I don't even remember my account name. Usually I save my stuff. Nope. Wonderful. I don't remember my account. I think I have the Steam mobile app. Maybe I can do it with that. I remember installing it. Yup, I have it on my phone. All right, so that is my username. Okay, so I do have my password. What is it though? QR code and sign into Steam. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And all right, see you in a bit. All right, cool. Okay. There I am. I'm on Steam. Browse. Special sanctions library. All right, and there we have the games. I got Among Us, I got BioShock, I got Space Engineers, Terraria, and Alta Street Fighter 4. So, there we go. Install, install, and we can play after, okay? Just not tonight, because I got stuff I gotta do. But I'm willing to play it later. What's up? Okay. Well, I'm gonna help you get your stuff right now. Hold on. Help you get your stuff right now. Oh, you added me on Steam. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Let's get your stuff. All right. Oh, you added me here. Good. Updates. Awesome. Uh, 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 uh. Still haven't updated. Actually, hold on a sec. Yeah, I know. There still isn't an update for it yet. Okay. 26.2. It's boxy. Whatever. Not going to it or anything. Just hoping you get your stuff back. Let's check the blue map, everyone. Okay, F11. Yep, and as you can see there, this is all that's been explored so far. Update map. Oh, fresh start. Nice. No worries, I got you. Thanks for the follows, everyone. Aaron family, thank you. Gover, Gover, thank you as well. Much appreciated. All right. And I gotta reactivate the Elgato. Bam, bam. All right. So, today's episode 48 of the Two Friends Eat Gaming SMP series. My friend Brooks here is on chat. He just lost all his stuff to a piglin. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna try to help him. Yeah, still trying. I have to make a new one. I'll see you in a bit. All right, cool. Go. Back in. All right, cool. Yeah, no, the game's still lagging a bit because of the generation. You're up there? Cool. All right. Okay, cool. All right, good. Yes, let's get you your chest plate. Put that back, please. Mama couldn't help. All right, what was on your chest plate, Nixie? Yeah, like I said, that's because of the. There we go. That's because of the map generation right now. Still doing it. Because I have my wife and kids, and my wife has been working, so I need to watch the kids. So once the kids are asleep and my wife is home from work, then I can have some time to myself to be able to do this. I wish I could stream earlier in the day, but the kids are out of school. It's not something I can do. Like I'm missing. Oh, there it is. Hey, did you see if my base is still there? Which is your base? You're able to stream. I understand. I always wondered why you always did night streaming, but I'm 12 years old finally. Oh, congratulations on being 12. Because I can't join. What do you mean you can't join? Oh, your Dark Flame? I mean, like I said, is your base the one over the lake? The one that has the bridge that leads to it? That was yours, right? No, the secret thing? Yeah, your base is still there, bud. Nobody's messed with it. You're good. ¿Cuándo puedo encontrarlo? En un minuto que estoy arreglando lo que tengo este área aquí que está todo jodido. Cuando acabo con esto te lo voy a dar. O si te quieres encontrar aquí donde yo estoy, yo te lo puedo dar. I'm gonna go do some COD rounds. All right, go have some fun. It was Spanish. No longer says IP address incorrectly from it. Lets me start to join, but then I did not got enough internet. Okay. That's good to hear. Yeah, I updated the server. It needed an update, so that might have had something to do with it. Maybe. So who knows? But I checked to see if there was an update, see if that helped. Angelina, stop doing that. Protection 4. Okay. Where? I don't see you. Oh, there you are. 9 a.m. for me. I say good morning. Good morning. What? I threw that portal. What's up? This portal leads to the overworld over by the villager base where Chris's area is. So I'm just fixing this up so it looks nice because I don't like how there's a ton of holes from the gas. Jelena, stop doing that. Good. Okay. I like how the chat's coming up on the screen like that. It's awesome. All right, Nixie, let's go. Oh, Nixie's on. Let's make him a VIP. No, my thing says you're a server builder. I see server. Yeah, it says server builder. Yeah, it's yellow. It says, yeah, server builder, yellow. No, it doesn't have the color. It just has the @E, which is supposed to be the color. Well, is it supposed to be a $sign or an ampersand? Hey, what's up, friends? Because it's working in the chat and the other thing. Hey. Port info. How do I give it to somebody? Sir. Next. Oh, there we go. I want to. Clone, demote. No, because if I do promote, it doesn't work because promote only works with tracks. You have to give it to them or something. Create group, edit, tracks. LP. Editor. VIP. How did we do this? User. Next. All right, let's try promote. Promote. Yeah, see. Not a valid user or user ID. I mean, it's not. Maybe, but that shouldn't make a difference. Editor? All right, let's try that. Thank you. All right, users. There's Nixie. All right, we want to give him a tag. Meta. I'm trying to add Nixie as one of the people with a tag, the VIP tag. I'm also gonna change a few things. Gonna $sign. $sign is how the color change. Well, yeah. $sign. No, it's not $sign. It's something else. It looks like a $sign. Hold on a second. What's it called? Called codes. Yeah, it's these little things. Copy. Copy. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. For every single person. There. There. Apply. There. Add parent group VIP. Hey, what's up, Antonia? Admin. Okay. All right, that should work. Did it do it? Oh, because it hasn't updated, I have to refresh it. So let's refresh it. Let's do LP import. Apply edits. Okay. Is your server online? Yes, it is. Well, it shows it here. See? True. So it fixed it. Fixed it, fixed it, fixed it. Maybe we just have to log off and log back on. Try again. Try again, because it is on. It's working. Well, it's showing up correctly in chat now. Oh, Nixie's is still at. Member. Correct. Back. Okay. Or save. Hit apply or save. Save. VIP. Set display name. How the heck do I add people? This is what I'm using for veteran tag. At hashtag. At hashtag. So I'm supposed to use at hashtag or and hashtag. All right, we'll try that because that should work then. And hashtag. Editor. All right. So you have at hashtag. Hashtag. Like that. What happened? I think the hashtag hides it, right? That's why. What it does. Okay, LP user, parent, add VIP. Okay. All right, it applied all the changes. I tested out. No, it didn't work. Yeah, so if you got Bedrock or Java, you can join the server. Yeah. Okay. All right, so it's LP user spy parent add VIP. Not letting me do it, and I think it's because of the dot before the name that might be messing with it. Oh, thank you. What are these blocks for? Oh, those are the okay, yeah, I'm on Bedrock. I mean, I'm on what do you call it? Java, so I don't have the newest version. I'm using via rewind. Hey, what's up? All right, maybe I can add him. Yep, right here. Instead of default, parent group, VIP, apply. There it goes. Now he has VIP. Awesome. Now, how do we remove that from our names on above our heads? Because that's the main issue. Tags are working on everything but the player name. Colored. We're looking for color gradients, yes, but it's because the names above the user are wrong, so I need to add a plugin for that, right? Is that what it's telling me? It's a separate plugin for the player names above their heads. Dark Flame, he gets VIP because Nixie's actually one of the first people who followed us and was supporting us from the very first day we started streaming. Since he's been playing with us since the very first day, he's one of the few people who gets a VIP. Nothing personal. You stay long enough and you end up being a supporter long enough, you can get a VIP tag as well for the server. That's the name of the plugin I want to get. Chroma tag. I mean, this one does it too, and it's on what do you call it? It's on the newest version, 26.2. Let's give it a try and let's see. It's by Jelly Pudding, and that's a good creator. I've seen his stuff before. I use some of his stuff. See, I like having it installed. Go ahead. We're gonna restart the server, so if everybody's playing, anybody's on the server, please get somewhere safe. Okay. You know what? I'm also gonna update the instance. I have to update it anyway. Might as well. Awesome. I'm glad you can join, Dark Flame. Yeah. Why? Which webhook? Where do I access the webhooks again? Integrations. So is it the Captain Hook? Is that the one I need to delete? Or the Social Stream Ninja? Oh, I just deleted both. I just deleted both, so we gotta set it up again. We try to be nice. All right. Go ahead and your server is by far. No, I do care. That's what I want. I want to have a nice, friendly server for people to join and play. That's the goal. So you telling me that that's how you feel and that's how it's going, then I very much appreciate it. Go ahead, Nixie. Ask away. La Llorona? I mean, I'm half Colombian. I know about La Llorona. La Llorona is a woman who ended up crying, and basically she's like a Spanish boogeyman. If you don't behave, she'll come out, grab you at night, and drag you into a lake to drown you. It's intense, to say the least. That's why you want to behave. Want to behave so La Llorona doesn't come and get you, Angelina. Yeah, yeah. Yep. And so the parents say to their little kids, if they don't behave, the Llorona is gonna come and get you, and same to you. Scan the QR code on the screen, and it'll take you to a website with all the info you need. Hunter, what's up? Yeah, how'd it go? What? So it's not that you did bad in the interview, it went bad because they screwed up. How unprofessional. Dang. And it's for a job for inventory, and they lost your. Oh, okay. No worries. No worries. You don't have to come and watch every day. I mean, I appreciate it, but you know, people have lives. If you take off and come back, that's fine. And I all the live streams are in a playlist. So if you want to catch up, you could just go and watch them on your free time too. So no worries, dude. I like that you're part of it, but don't feel bad if you can't make it. Mm. Is this how you guys run the ship? Because I'm reconsidering even working here. Servers up. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I was looking if there was a sulfur cave nearby. Kaz, you need to brush your hair. Messy. Go have Mama brush it. I'm sorry. Yes, baby. Yeah. Yes. But what about the in-game above the heads? Nope. Still has it. All right. And what's VIP? VIP is heal. So let me try. Hold on. Heal. Aqua. Next spy. There we go. And then you are supposed to be yellow. Whoops. I'm supposed to be red. And you're... Okay. Where'd Nixie go? All right. I gotta do it. I gotta do it manually, but whatever. It works. I wonder if there's a way for me to do it so it's automatic. Can I use a website name? What do you mean by a website name? Really? It expired? It shouldn't have. Oh, it only lasts for 30 days? All right, I see. I'll make one that doesn't expire. All right. So let's go to the website so I can fix it. To go to... What's the name of it? Thank you, Nixie. Yes, yes, you want your chest plate. I'm sorry. And it was netherite, right? Um okay. So mode creative lost it, so you're going to get it back now. Supposed to be this one. Okay. Chant. Action. Here you go, bud. Okay. Oh, give it to me. I'll give it the silent trim. Yep, that's a mini map thing. I am gonna add a mini map server for the server, so anybody who joins the server will have a mini map. But I'm waiting for it to update. I talked to the creator of the server side mini map plugin, and they're working on it right now. So as soon as it's ready, they're gonna have it. The server, the one that I'm gonna have installed for the whole server. What color did you make the trim, Nixie? What color was the trim? Nixie, what color was the trim? Where are you? Okay. All right, survival. Back to that. All right, so now chroma names. Okay, so that's to manually do it. But you said there's a tag plugin that does it automatically and connects to luck perms. All right, so let's use that one then. Oh. Temporary fix for now for us who are online. All right, and what's the name of it? That one? Okay, so this replaces the luck tabs. This is a separate thing that's similar. All right, so yeah, we'll get rid of the luck tab and we'll use that one. That one looks like that's the perfect one we need. Beautiful. All right. Stopping the server. All right. Boom. Tab. Okay. No, I deleted all of them. Okay, and we gotta remove luck tab. Have now. All plugins. Tab uninstall. File manager. Plugins. Luck tab can be kicked. Beautiful. All right, that's set up. Is there anything else we need to do? All right. Angelina, can you bring this downstairs, please? Put it in the sink. Thank you. Okay. And do you need me to make another webhook so that way you can add it to the thing again? Or I need to add it to the thing again? That's the other thing I needed to do. I have to create another webhook. Because I got rid of it. Yeah, I deleted it. I deleted it. Okay, it's a separate one. So those other two were disconnected from that. Okay, good. All right, so the two I deleted were the two that doesn't need to be there. All right, we're good to go then. All right, server's running. Okay. Oh, I didn't remove chroma. The chroma names, I didn't remove it. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff to have up there on that name in the tab. I can see your ping. That's good. Yeah, that's very busy. All right, how's the names coming up? What's your name? Are you? Hey, it actually has the full name the right way. Okay. And mine? I don't see my own name. Okay, cool. Where's Nixie? Not online. It's just the color instead of the name. Okay, cool. Nixie joined. Hey. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. Why can't I see him on the map? Oh, because he used invisibility potion. Nixie, I need to see your name. Can you please drink some milk? Drink some milk, bud. I need to see your name. We're trying to test stuff out. Hey, what's up, Susu? Don't. Well, I've got a cow here. Just use your bucket. Because I need to check something. I want to make sure your name says VIP. Do you not want to be a VIP? All right, cool. Hey, what's up, Brody? Yeah, I remember Brody. It's been a while. There we go. It says VIP next to your name. Cool. And the chat, same thing. My color's gone. In the chat. Okay, so the chroma's taken over the in-game chat. So we gotta remove the chroma. Got it. Yeah, no, I like troubleshooting stuff. This is one of the things I like doing. It's literally my job. All right, stopping the server again. Don't be in the camera. Because I'm trying to fix stuff. Yeah. All right, let's go to hangar. What's up? Okay, so I don't know why that keeps happening. Gotta figure out why. Chromatic uninstall. Boom, gone. Yeah. It's Minecraft 1.21.50. Oh yeah, no, app is great. It costs money, but it's great. It works awesome. It's very user friendly. If you want to mess with the settings for the game, just come over here and you can like add and remove memory, add the Java like tags to make it run smoothly. Change the view distance, change the simulation distance. You know, all the stuff. Very, very, very useful, very nice. So, highly recommended. Yeah, I ran my old server on Crafty. Crafty's good too, but because it's open source and it's free, it does have a bit of a delay when it comes to updates and stuff. This one, I feel like there's an update almost every day or every week. Well, not every day, but like every weeks or so. Well, no, like every week. So it works really, really well. You can get the base here. While this is loading, I'll show you. Let's go to the website. So you go to Cube Coders, you go to services, all right, and you want to get the actual application. to category AMP amp download tube coder. There it is. So there are different versions. You can get want to download them. You can get the different versions here for whatever you're running it on. Debian is what they recommend, but because I have an old Mac Pro, you want to make sure you get the right one. You got to buy the licenses here. So you already brushed your teeth? No. And you didn't eat the noodles, you wasted the noodles. All right. Did you say something? I'm sorry. Yes, I am. Thank you. All right. Okay, server's up again. Hopefully now it'll be fixed. Not. Well, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the colors. And the chat says, whatever it is. All right. There's your name. Hi. Yeah, no, the chat doesn't have the names anymore. And the chroma names isn't there. Tab. Not showing in the chat. And tab showed that it would show it in the chat. It said it would in the chat. Header, tag, tab list, players. No, doesn't do it in chat. Unless it's a setting. The website on tab list needs to change on your server. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, that's right. I was doing that and I got distracted. All right. You know what? Let me do that now before I forget again. Okay. Copy. Make sure that it doesn't expire. Never. Member. Generate a new link. There we go. Okay. Get out of there. Now I'm gonna. Okay. So boom. Done. Okay, and then the other place I have to do it at was done. Ease of access. I don't get anything. Yeah, what's up? What do you mean? Vault? No, I don't have Vault. What's the name of it again? Tab? T-A-B? Tab. All right. Animations, config, header footer, tab list name, board, enable collision, invisible name tags, false, case sensitive sorting, can't see friendly invisibles. Scoreboard. Why not? We literally have it for in-game links right now. Oh, okay. What's it called? Luck perms. Luck perms chat. Three words. Hold on, I think I found one that works fine. But we'll use yours because again, I want to make it so it's easy too. What is it? Luck perms tab no, chat formatter. It's LPC. 1.21. LPC 1. LPC. That one. No, it does. It's just again, it hasn't been updated since last year. Hasn't been updated. This one here, prefix X, looks good. I think this will do the job, hopefully. Yeah. Yep. And it says that is built against luck perms. So it should be pulling it from luck perms. So I don't know. Alright, is the server up? Yes, it is. Alright, let's try it now. Oh, it's been up the whole time. I gotta restart it. Never mind. Okay. It can do the prefixes without other plugins, but for whatever reason, the colors aren't coming through. Not pulling them into the chat for whatever reason. Don't know why. But gonna get kicked any second. But he's right, they were there before. Remember? And what was wrong was the names above our heads. But I think because the other one doesn't do it, it removed it. It's like replacing it. Awesome. I mean, honestly, it doesn't really matter. Chat. Hey, Visalink joined. Server builder. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, friend. I'm glad you were able to join. Prefix X. Find out. Prefix. Load. A. Yeah, see, now it's not doing anything. Oh no, it did make my name red. But now there's no space before my name. I wonder what happens if LP editor. Yeah, because we have that plugin in the server for um, Bedrock Java users, but I guess on Bedrock it's not coming up. Minecraft color code. No. Okay. I just updated the stuff here. Okay. Okay. It's called LPC. That's what we had before. LPC. Okay. And it's going to work for it's going to work for 26.2. What's up? Huh. Hmm? Tab. You hear me? I said tab. Hmm. Okay. I think I got it set up. Restarting. Wait, what's it called again? The app? Luck perms chat 1.21.1. I know, but I'm trying to install it through the app system because the app system does automatic updates and I can control it from here. Try 121.1, see if it comes up that way. Unofficial port by Neoforge. It's not compatible. It's a Neoforge plugin. I'm using paper. Yes. Simply luck perms. Done. We're trying to set up the server so that our luck perms name tags are next to all the players so people know who's the admin, owner, who's the mods, who's a builder. And people who have been part of the server and part of the stream for a long time can be promoted to VIP. Hmm? Now we're restarting the server. Thank you very much, Jackson MC. I very much appreciate it. You're welcome to join the server too. That's what the QR code is for. Enjoyed the Discord as well. What's a typo? Yeah, pwner. Pwned. Never heard of the term pwned? No, you did it on purpose. Okay. Thanks for liking the live, everyone. I appreciate it. Everyone who's been liking it, thank you. The link, the new link, yeah, it gives them the member role automatically now. Server's up. They've been putting W in chat. Thank you. Why? Oh, see? Why does it say www.domain.com? Yeah, see, mine shows all of that. I mean, maybe. Check some. But shit. Just saw the comment on the stream. Right. They have. Yeah, no. No, I'm not doing this. Nope. Nope. Discard changes. Just keeping it simple. Yeah. Don't know, don't care, done. Okay. Tab. Reload. Yep, there we go. Okay. Now it's got the web page there. Beautiful. The name. I gotta do luck perms. Editor. So one of these got messed up. Admin. Whatever reason. Gonna be at what it uses. At and 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 later, Jackson. Thank you. Not coming up. Why does yours have a space and mine doesn't? And why does it have the at 4? Did I mess something up? Hold on a second. Wait. Why does mine have a prefix and yours doesn't? What happens if I delete this? Now it's correct. I have a Steel Series. Steel Series Arctis 7, I think. I like them. Why do you ask? Yeah, no. I told them Steel Series. What do you mean? What do you mean? Simple chat. I'm gonna remove the simple chat. The newest one I just added. Because just the luck perms worked fine. So simply luck perms gone. I can't without stopping it. Okay. What's the what's the thing for white? White is F, yes. No, why? No, why? Oh, okay. So now it's gone. Just has the name. So let's go back to. We shouldn't have to, but I think I figured out what to do now. So tab, no, not tab. What's it called? Block perms. Then we do editor. We can add the prefix. I'm curious to see that if I add a prefix, how was I able to add the prefix before? We already have it. That's why. But prefix. All right, where are you? All right, we're gonna be lagging a lot because of Chunky. All right, where's your name? Okay. Say something in chat. Nope, didn't do it. All right, honestly, at this point, I don't care about the name. In chat is fine. Having it in chat is very redundant. You just hit the tab, everybody gets to see. It's above our names, for crying out loud. It's fine. Okay, so now I am gonna remove redundant. There goes Chunky. Well, it wasn't. Well, it wasn't. It's the second time because it only did a small amount. I want to try to get to where we were before, about this big. Should be fine. So have it be about as big as maps here. So if we go to the nether, right? We check the nether. One side of the nether is 35,000. The other side of the nether is 35,000. It's about 10,000, right? Yeah, so make it about the same. What we've got so far in the end. Oh. So weird. Because it should match what's on there because you're a server builder. What are you talking about? I don't see anything. Talking because I don't see them in chat. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go to Angelina's castle. Hey, Joe Cool joined. Please let him know that the game is really laggy right now because of the chunky. Yeah. You know what? Let me pause it. Pause. Alright, and there we go. Now the TPS is going back up. Yeah, no, I'm gonna run this at night when no one's sleeping. When people's sleeping. I just want to make sure that Joe can actually get on the server before I start running it. Well, tell him I fixed it for now. But I will be running Chunky again once I log off relatively soon. Hey, what's up, Dennis? I never used that. I got rid of it. What you're seeing is a client-side plugin that I installed. So that chat that you see on the screen, people are talking. That's only for me, and that's only in my side. Oh, I'll give you an example right now, right? Best. Okay. Which is awesome. Top right corner, it looks cool. While I'm playing the game, it pops up. It's nice. Who what? do you mean? There isn't, but if you want to use it, go for it. I mean, full bright is fine. It's X-ray that's going to get you in trouble. If you want to use full bright, I'm okay with full bright. Full bright is almost the same as like using glowing ores. You're just deciding to light up the whole like cave system instead of just the one or two little areas you're trying to look at. Can't do what? No, can't. Well, they can, but they don't because it's a server. That's a plugin, an add-on. Not a plugin, it's an add-on. And I can't add add-ons to this. They can't use it. Hey, what's up, Blanky? I just fixed this. Shooting at me. Where? Literally just fixed it. No. No, but we're gonna have to make, I'm gonna have to make like little enclosures for these portals so we don't have to keep dealing with this. Yeah, something like exactly. I usually do them above the ceiling area, like you saw the four-way like crossroad that I have up there. That's usually what I do, but I just didn't for this because, you know, having it go through the top and have it be like safe all the time is kind of boring. That. Oh, it's just nether quartz. Never mind. No, it was gassed. He was just behind the lava thing and he got unalived. If I'm not mistaken, this is the portal. No, they get damage from the thorns after hitting me 5 times. Go. Can I still see Angelina's castle? Here, because if I do, the VODs are still working. Left the game. But he's able to join. That's cool. Alright, good. The VODs aren't broken. So the server map is getting retooled. So have the long distance that I had before. Castle. Server. Spawn. Someone's M right there. Just found what? Hi, Blanky. No, nothing's glitching at the moment. We actually got everything working again. And we got this cool tab set up. All right. You can see everybody's pings individually. Good. I am trying something. Well, it was probably because the game is still kind of loading. Where do you live? Are you near us or are you far away? Oh, all right. Mods. You're the watchtower? The one near oh, the big huge tower? Yeah, dude, I love your build, by the way. It's really cool. I like it. I wonder. Yeah, no, that doesn't. Man, I wish it would pull it from this one. Not though, and that sucks. So the chat for in-game chat pulls from the widescreen, but it doesn't pull from the vertical. So if I say hi here, boom, it pops up on the screen, right? But if I do it from the vertical, from the shorts, hi, doesn't come up. It only does one, doesn't do both. And I can't pick. And the more people see it from the vertical, it doesn't come up on the screen. I mean, it's fine. I realized I accidentally had X-ray on from X-raying on a different server, but I will turn it off. I did not X-ray, by the way. Even if you X-rayed, you're not going to see anything because I have anti-X-ray. So what it does is it obfuscates all of the chunks in the blocks. So when you use X-ray, you're just going to see giant chunks of like clusters of random blocks. You can't, you'll see stuff, but it's, you're not going to know what it is. You know? So. Dude, I really like Nixie's underground base. It's a cool base. Alright. I think I'm good for tonight. We got everything set up the way we needed to. We're gonna have to let Chunky run overnight. Get everything going the way we want it to. By tomorrow, it should be all set. What were you saying? What'd you find? Yeah, I've heard of Donut SMP. Dr. Donut. I know people keep asking me too. It will what? What Donut SMP? Well, he got scammed, but as long as you know what not to do to get scammed, I feel it should be fine. So this was updated last week. It's 26.1. Hopefully it'll work. This is the last thing I'm gonna try. If this doesn't work, then I'm done for tonight. Go ahead, let's give it a try. I mean, if you do X-ray and you try to raid stuff, oh, on Donut SMP, does he not have like a base protection app or mod or plugin? Is that why you're able to do that? Okay, so. Oh, that's why that video was so funny. So I've seen a video of Dr. Donut, this is how I know him, where he's like going and checking out people's bases, and then he's like down there and he's like, uh, we can see the bedrock. And he's like, what do you mean? Like, I'm cooked, aren't I? And he's like, yeah, because now people know where you are. So, hi, Grania, nice to see you. All right, give me 1 second. Gotta restart the server. What are you talking about? Huh? Thank you. Hi, Astra. Welcome to the stream. Dara, welcome. All right, servers back up. Oh, it's almost up. Spoke a little too. Became immortal on a server. I mean, you just gotta become creative, right? All right, server's up. All right, prefix is there, but now it's not formatted. Hmm? You gonna say something? Oh wow, 1,000 hearts? That crazy. Say something now. Alright, there's a mute feature with this plugin. It's probably broken because it's not designed for this version of the system. At this point, like I said, I don't care anymore. Doesn't have it, doesn't have it. The new Verity mod? What's the Verity mod? A what? Scary? Horror mods? Looking forward to doing some horror stuff eventually. I want to do the Wither Storm. What do you mean? I think that's yellow. Yeah, but the problem with this is that it's not that there isn't an issue with the prefix and the suffixes and the colors and the names. You can't text, can't message. So the issue is if you can't message, there's something preventing you. It has to be this plugin because it's the only thing added. But at this point, if we can't do it, it's fine. Like I said, it'll something eventually will update and will be good. But for now, I'm just removing this. It's 1:44. I want to go to bed at a decent time. I've already been streaming for like 3 hours. And we'll just let the what do you call it? We'll just let the chunky do its thing. Where is it though? Gotta find. Oh, there it is. Else again? Done. Okay, good. And let's make sure. Coming in 3 days. Oh. Ooh. Which one? Okay. Yeah, but now it's not linked to the game anymore, is it? But wasn't the point of us using the webhook is so it connects directly to the SRV? Ah, okay. 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 Server's up now. Boom. Let's see if you can chat. Good. Right. So, boom, spawn. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna do slash chunky. Then I'm going to pattern, circle, spiral, shape, circle. Then I'm gonna do radius, just straight up 20,000. Okay. Then start, confirm. All right, gonna start to get really, 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 oh, no, cancel. Pero, hijo de. All right, so chunky, center, chunky, radius, chunky, shape, key, spiral. It, and now chunky start. Done. All right. Gonna start now. Gonna take a while. 3 hours and 11 minutes. Okay, cool. All right. Well, I'm tired. Chunky's going. It's got a TPS of 34, so gonna be unplayable until it's done. All right. Well, everyone, thanks for watching the stream. Told you this was gonna be a maintenance episode. Didn't get to do a lot of exploring, but we wanted to make sure the server is as good as it can be for all of y'all to join, especially now that everything's getting updated, and hopefully, we can get more people to join and play with us. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. Fun. Brooks is on chat. Go check them out. Brooks Gaming. Group Brooks Gaming Studios. So go check them out. I'm Giuseppe from Two Friends Eat. Cheesecake episode coming up soon. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Okay, boom. Boom. Boom.